Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. Taruna Joshi from Ramdas College, University of Delhi. Today we are going to talk on the module cataloging practice of composite books in CCC and AACR2R, which are from the paper cataloging. The objectives of this module are to: number 1, to catalog an ordinary composite book and Festshrifts according to CCC and AACR2R. Number 2, to catalog artificial composite books according to CCC and AACR2R. Now let's see the introduction of this module. In the previous module, we have studied the definition of composite book, ordinary composite book, Festschrift, and artificial composite book. We have also studied the rules of CCC and AACR2R to catalog these publications. In the present module, we will learn cataloging practice of these books according to CCC and AACR2R. Cataloging practice of ordinary composite books. Now you can see the title 1, which is an ordinary composite book. Title is Documentation and its Facets. It is a symposium of 70 papers by 32 authors, edited by S.R. Ranganathan. The place of publication, name of publication is given. Other information is also mentioned: call number, accession number, pages, size of the book, and notes. In the notes it is mentioned that chapter F6, entitled Documentation in Social Sciences, a case study of labor economics by P.N. Kola, is to be highlighted. Class number of this chapter is also mentioned. Secondly, it is mentioned that the year of birth of S.R. Ranganathan is 1892 and the copyright year of book is 1963. Now you can see the main entry of the ordinary composite book according to classified catalog code. You can see the call number, then the editor. With the name of the editor within brackets, the year of birth is also mentioned and the word and the ED will be underlined. Then the title is mentioned and the accession number is also there. On the back of the catalog card, now you can see the tracing section, wherein all the record of all the entries is mentioned, and then you can see the special cross reference entry which highlights the chapter which was asked to be highlighted in the note section. The call number of that chapter is given, the surname of the author of that chapter, title, and the word forming. Chapter F6 of, the two words forming and of have to be underlined, and then the call number of the ordinary composite book, then the editor. Now here you can see that only the surname of the editor is given, forename is not given, and then the title of the composite book is given. Now you can see the class index entries depend upon the subjects. So class index entry 1 will be prepared in documentation, library science, and then you have to write the line for documents in this class and its subdivisions, see the classified part of the catalog under the class number 2:97. You have to make sure that in this line the class, then the subdivisions, then the classified part, and then the class number have to start with capital letters. Now you can see the class index entry 2, which is made in library science. Again you have to write this full line for documents in this class and so on, and be sure to mention the words in capitals, and then the class number 2 is given. Now this is the third class index entry, you can see, then the fourth class index entry, and now let's come to the book index entry, which is made in the editor, and then the title of the book is mentioned and the call number in the end. Now you can see the contributor index entry, wherein the author of that chapter, the entry is made in the author of that chapter, which is to be highlighted, then the name of the chapter, then you have to write forming, then the chapter number, then of, and then the editor of the composite book, the title of the composite book. Now see the alternative cross-reference index entry. Labor problems, C, personal management. This word C has to be underlined. Now let's see about the ordinary composite books and Festschrifts according to CCC and AACR 2. Notes number 1. As per CCC rule number NA1, the heading has been prepared under the editor. Number 2. As per rule NA21, special cross-reference entry has been prepared. Number 3. Class index entries for the class number of the host book have been prepared first, and class index entries for the guest part have been prepared afterwards. Number 4. As per rule NA62, contributor index entry has been prepared. Now let's see the entry according to AACR 2R. You can see there on the left side call number is there, then the title and the name of the editor, place of publication, name of the publisher, year in which it is published, number of pages, size of the book, and here now just see how it highlights the chapter, partial contents, documentation in social sciences, and then its author and the chapter number which is to be highlighted, and in the last tracing section is there, and in the subject entry you can see it is made under documentation, and then the title is there, and as usual you have to write rest as in main entry. This is the subject analytical entry. The subject is mentioned, then the chapter number. This is to highlight that special chapter, and then rest as in main entry. Then collaborator entry is there, and then you can see the author analytical entry, which is to highlight the author of that particular chapter. This is the author analytical entry. The title is given of that chapter, chapter number, the author, then the title of the composite book, and C also subject entry is also made. Note number 1. As per AACR2R, rule number 21.7B1, heading has been prepared under the title using hanging indentation. Number 2. As per rule 2.7B18, partial contents note has been added. Number 3. As per rule 21.30M, analytical entries have been prepared. Now this is second title, which is a Festschrift. Title is mentioned, then compiled and edited by Martin Katz, and here it is mentioned it is a memorial volume in honor of Dr. W.A. Orion on his 70th birthday, place of publisher, year, and other information, call number, accession number, pages, size. And in the note, it is mentioned that American Chemical Society by Ellen A. George and Robert Hughes, given on page numbers 1 to 48, is to be highlighted. Its class number is also mentioned. This is the main entry for a Festschrift book as per CCC. Call number is mentioned, then the compiler and editor, the title, and here it is mentioned that it is a Festschrift memorial volume in honor of Dr. W.A. Orion, and in the last accession number is mentioned. Now you can see the tracing section, which is prepared on the back side of the main card. And since all the information could not be given in one card, so in the end you can see it is written continued in the next card and it is underlined. And in the next card on the top, continued word is written and it is also underlined. This is the special cross-reference entry which is to be highlighted. And then the class index entries, a number of those have been prepared. The first is under investigation, United States, natural sciences, and then you have to write that line for documents in this class and its subdivisions. See the classified part of the catalog under the class number, and you have to mention that class number. Now you can see other class index entries which are made, and you have to be sure that that class index entry corresponds to that particular class number. As you can see in the class index entry number 3, it is made in natural sciences, so the class number is given A. And the class index entry 4 is made in the society, so for that particular class number is given. These are also the class index entries, as you can see. So there will be as many as class index entries as many are required. There is no limit to it. Again, this is class index entry 7, which is made in chemistry. So the class number of chemistry is given E. Now here you can see the collaborator book index entry. Collaborator's name is there. Then you have to write COMP for compiler and ED for editor, and you have to underline both these, and other information is also mentioned. This is the contributor index entry. Here there are two contributor index entries. First in the name of George, and second then you have and Hughes, and in the second you have to make Hughes as the first entry and then George, and you have to make one Festschrift index entry. Here the entry is made in the word Festschrift, which is written in the capitals, and the name of the person for whom this Festschrift has been published, and then the call number. This is the dedicatee index entry. Since this composite book has been dedicated to Orion, so the entry is made under the name of this person and DED and underlining it for dedicatee. Then it is a Festschrift, so you will write Festschrift, then the call number. And there is one more entry, which is the alternative name cross-reference index entry, which will be made under research and then C investigation, so that the user is given the direction to see investigation if they are searching for research. Note number 1, heading has been prepared as per CCC rule number NA1. Number 2, one Festschrift index entry has been prepared as per rule NA7. Number 3, one dedicatee index entry has been prepared as per rule NA71. Now let's see the main entry for a Festschrift as per AACR 2R. Now you can see the call number is mentioned on the left side, then the name of the Festschrift volume and in honor of the person, then compiled and edited by, place of publisher, year of publication, then the number of pages, size of the book, and then partial contents which were to be highlighted are mentioned, and in the last tracing section is given. Now let's see what subject entries and other entries are made for a Festschrift volume according to AACR 2R. In the subject entry, subject is mentioned, then the title, and then you will write rest as in main entry. For the subject analytical entry, you will write the name, the American Chemical Society, then particular page number which were to be highlighted, and the other information is there. In the collaborator entry, the name of the collaborator, then title, and then rest as in main entry. This is the author analytical entry. Two author analytical entries will be prepared as per the requirement. First in the name of the first person and then for the second person. This is the dedicatee entry for a Festschrift volume for an according to AACR 2R. The person to whom the Festschrift is dedicated, the entry is made under his name, then the title, and then rest as in main entry. Note number 1, as per AACR 2R Rule 21.7b1, heading has been prepared under the title using hanging indentation. Number 2, as per Rule 21.0f, one dedicatee entry has been prepared. Now let's see the third title, which is an artificial composite book. Fundamentals of Nursing is the title, Concepts and Procedures is the subtitle, then the name of the author is given and the name of the publisher, place of publication, year of publication, and there is one dotted line, and then there is information for the second book. And the other information is also mentioned that for the first work and the second work, both of these, that call number is given, accession number, size of these two, pages And in the note it is mentioned that the first and the second works have been bound together in the library. Now let's see what a main entry as per CCC looks like for an artificial composite book. Call number is given and on the right side it is written composite book and it has to be underlined. Then the name of the first author, then title, and 2 is written for the second. The name of the author, second author is there, and name of title of the second book is there. And then the call number of the second book is also mentioned, and in the last accession number is given for the book. Now you can see the tracing section which is prepared on the back side of the main card. The left side entry is for the special cross reference entries, and on the right side you have entries for the class index entries and other entries, book index entries. And then you can see the special cross reference entry which is made for the second book, and here it is mentioned that it is bound as part 2 with, and the words bound as with have to be underlined. These are the class index entries that are to be prepared for this artificial composite book, and as many as required will be prepared. These are again some of the class index entries, and then you can also see the author book index entry 1 because you have to prepare 2 author book index entries for the 2 books which were bound together by the library. Now here you can see the author book index entry for the author of the second book, and again here it is mentioned bound as part 2 with, and then the author and the title of the first book. Note: as per CCC rule NB1, term composite book is added after the call number at the end of the leading section. The information about the second book has been recorded in main entry as per rule number NB12. Special cross-reference entry has been prepared as per rule NB21. Author book index entry has for the second book has been prepared as per rule number NB5. Now see the main entry according to AACR 2R for an artificial composite book. The name of the first author is mentioned, then the title, place of publication, name of the publisher, year of publication, number of pages, size of the book, and then you have to write the word with, put a colon, and then write the title of the first book, the second book, the history of nursing, the interpretation of the social and medical factors, then the place of publication, the publisher, the year, and then the tracing section. And here you can see the subject entry for the first work, where subject is mentioned, then the author is there, and then you have to write rest as in main entry. Now this is the title entry for the first work. You have to mention the title of the first work, then its author, and then you have to write rest as in main entry, and you have to make the main entry for the second work also. Author of the second work, its title, and again like the main entry for the first work was there, you have to mention with, and you have to mention the other book with which it has been bound, and then the tracing section. This is the subject entry for the second work. Subject heading will be there on the top, then the author of the second work, then rest as in main entry. Then this is the title entry for the second work. Title of the second work, its author, rest as in main entry. Now in the note it is given that as per AACR 2R rule 2.7b21, with note has been added in the main entry. So students, let's now summarize what we have learned in this module. We have learned how to catalog ordinary composite books and festivals according to CCC and AACR 2. Number 2, we have learned to catalog the artificial composite books again according to CCC and AACR 2R. Thank you.